on, let's go to the forest. Oh, what's that? It's a lion. Wow, so big. Let's spell lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Very good. Come on, let's walk further. Wow, what a big elephant. It's an elephant. Kids, let's spell elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Very good. Fat pig. It's a pig. Let's spell pig. P-I-G. Pig. Let's say again. Pig. Very good. It's a horse. Let's spell horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Kids, it's a dog. Let's spell dog. D-O-G. Dog. Say it again. Dog. Very good. Kids, it's a cat. Let's spell cat. C-A-T. Cat. Say it again. Cat. Very good. It's a dog. It's a dog. Let's spell dog. D-U-C-K. Dog. Say it again. Dog. Very good. It's a frog. It's a frog. Let's spell frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. Say it again. Frog. Very good. Oh, that is a dolphin. Kids, let's spell dolphin. D-O-L-E-H-I-N. Dolphin. Say it again. Dolphin. Very good. Let's swim. It's a shark. Kids, let's spell shark. S-H-A-R-K. Shark. Say it again. Shark. Come on, let's roll. Now, let's name the following animals. 1. What animal is it? It's a dog. 2. What animal is it? It's a cat. Now, it's your time to answer. What animal is it? Very good! It's a pig. What animal is it? Very good! It's a lion. What animal is it? Very good! It's an elephant. What animal is it? Very good! It's a shark. What animal is it? Very good. It's a dolphin. What animal is it? Very good. It's a dog. What animal is it? Very good. It's a frog. Congratulations, you got the correct answer. Let's play a game. Let's find cat in the picture. Is it A, B, or C? Ding, ding, ding. Very good. It's in letter A. Great job. Number 2. Let's find the elephant in the picture. Is it letter A, B, or C? Ting, ting, ting. Very good. It's in letter C. Great job. Number 3. Let's find the cow in the picture. Is it in letter A, B, or letter C? Ting, ting, ting. Very good. It's in letter B. Great job. Number 4. Let's find dolphin in the picture. Is it A, B, or C? Ting, ting, ting. Very good. It's in letter C. Great job. Next, for the last number, 5. Let's find the frog in the picture. Is it in letter A, B, or C? Ting, ting, ting. Very good. It's in letter A. Great job, kids. Before we end our lesson, let's dance together. Stand up, please.
Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark.
Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark.
Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark. Let's go hunt, do 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 do. Let's go hunt, do 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 do. Let's go hunt, do 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 do. Let's go hunt.
Run away, do 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 do. Run away, do 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 do. Run away, do 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 do. Run away. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last. It's the end, do 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 do. It's the end, do 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 do. It's the end, do 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 do. It's the end.
That's all for today, and I hope you've learned from our lesson. Goodbye, kids!